now we are done. Our program is working. It is blinking and it works really nice. Hi friends, I am age 9 and today we are going to be making a simple LED project. For this project you will need only 3 components. So let's start. The first component is Arduino UNO. Second is a wire to connect our computer through our Arduino UNO. And third is a LED light. So now we are all set. I'm going to add our components all together. This is our LED light. The long pin is known as the positive side and the short pin is known as the negative side. The long pin goes in pin 13 and the short pin goes in GND. Now we are going to add the wire in this area. Okay, so now let's attach this to our computer. So now we are all ready and we're going to start writing our program. Okay, so first we are going to go to File. We are going to click the examples. In that we are going to go to Basics and select Blink. Then we are going to go to Tools option. Select Board Arduino UNO in the board there. Then go to Port and our port is COM4 Arduino UNO. Then we are going to go to Device Manager and you see it is same as in the port in the Device Manager. It's written Arduino UNO COM. Now we will compile the file and upload it to Arduino UNO. It is uploading. Now we are done. Our program is working. It is blinking and it works really nice. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.
September we met, I could tell by your smile.